love my job as an archaeologist.
Yep. Glad we majored in archaeology.
Excavating artifacts, always fun.
Find those fossils. Can't wait.
Are we almost there yet?
Should be. My stick is beginning to break it upside.
Mine too. Oh,
What you find?
I found something.
Oh, measure it out. Ew.
All right, let me get my gloves on. Delicate stuff here. All right, guys, it looks like I found an artifact. So let's excavate this artifact to see what it could be. Just gonna start. Oh, wow. Now you wanna be really gentle. Look at that. Whoa. Wow. All right. Come with me, guys. Let's explore more of these artifacts. All right, you guys, before we explore any more of our artifacts, you guys heard key words like archaeologist, archaeology, artifacts, and excavating. Now, I'm just gonna give you guys a little bit more about that, so listen up. Now, an archaeologist is a scientist who studies artifacts. They are both scientists and detectives. Archaeology is the study of human history and prehistory through the excavation of sites and the analysis of artifacts and other physical remains. Now, artifacts are objects that archaeologists find. They help archaeologists learn more about our history and different cultures. And excavate, well, that's kind of what we did. It's to make a hole or to channel by digging. You guys want to be an archaeologist like me and Miss Nicole? You guys have to go to college to get your bachelor's degree or your bachelor's of science degree in anthropology or archaeology. All right, you guys, so today I am going to be showing you guys how to make your own artifacts, just like you saw me do earlier with our dinosaurs that we found. The materials you will need is water. I have these small dinosaurs here, but you can use any small objects that you have around the house. A measuring cup up to 1 cup, cornstarch, 3 plastic cups, some type of bowl so you can mix your mixture, and then you have your cool tools. An old toothbrush, paintbrush, skewer, and fork. So let's get started. First, you're gonna get your cornstarch and your measuring cup, and you're gonna pour 1 cup here. Give it a little shake. Pour that into your bowl. You're gonna do 1 more cup. A little shake. Now, you need 1 cup of water. One cup. Pour it in. Then you mix. Don't be afraid to get a little dirty. Make sure you guys have a parent to help you guys, but get your hands in there and mix it all the way around before we pour it into our cups. Okay, so you want to immediately, after you stir it all up, pour it into your cup. I'm just going to show you guys one, and then you guys can do the same steps for your other cups. Get your object. You're going to push it down in there. I'm gonna do 2. Then I'm gonna pour a little bit more in there. All right, you guys are gonna let this sit for 2 days, okay? And then you guys can go on your excavating journey. 2 days later. All right, guys, in 2 days, this is what your artifact will look like. I have my excavating tools here and a pair of scissors to cut open my cup. Make sure you guys have a parent's help to cut open. Let's get started. Now let's get to excavating. Hey guys, great job. I hope you guys had an amazing time with this project. You guys learned a little bit more about archaeologists and what they do, and we want you guys to send in your projects to map@cityofmontclair.org. Remember, send in your artifacts that you excavated to map@cityofmontclair.org. Bye.
Thanks, Miss Kayla, for showing us how to make artifacts. Now, for you 4th through 6th graders, but before I say that, if 1st and 3rd graders, if you want to join us, you're more than welcome to. So today we're going to be making fossils. What are fossils? Fossils are remains of prehistoric organisms preserved in mold or cast in rock. Fossils are formed in different ways, but most are formed when a plant or animal dies in a watery environment and is buried in mud or silt. Okay, so we're gonna make our own using these ingredients. So you'll need flour, salt, coffee grounds, water, measuring cup that measures 1 cup, a bowl to mix in, either wax paper or some type of nice slippery paper, okay? You're gonna need some toys or dinosaurs or leaves, anything you may want to use to make your impression for a fossil. Let's begin. All right guys, got my bowl here, gloves on. You're gonna roll up those sleeves so you don't get dirty. Take your measuring cup, and we need 1 cup of coffee. Level it out. Perfect. 1 cup of salt. Whoop. 2 cups of flour. Gonna give your dry ingredients a mix. Toss it in there. Once it's all mixed up, we need 1 cup of water. And stop. We're gonna pour this in slowly, gradually, and mix as you pour. All right, now that you have your dough, look at that beauty. Woo! You're gonna take a piece, your wax paper or just paper, roll it into a ball. Like so. Then you lay it down and flatten it like a pancake. It's like a stone. You're gonna take your object or any object you have, and you're gonna make an imprint. You're gonna press it in there. Pull it out slowly. Softly, gently. Ooh, look at that! I'll take another piece and see what my leaf looks like. See what this looks like. Not bad. my friends, is how you make a fossil. All right, hope you guys enjoyed making our fossils. Take pictures, send videos of your fossils at map@cityofmontclair.org. I said map@cityofmontclair.org.
That came out awesome, Miss Nicole. Now, for the middle schoolers, and hey, you lower grade and upper grade, you guys come on and join us too. We are going to be doing excavating again, but the materials you'll need this time, chocolate chip cookies, a plate, you guys are gonna get a cookie excavation sheet, a skewer, and a pencil, okay? So let's get started. Okay, so first I'm gonna grab my cookie. Now, the cookie represents the archaeological site, and the chocolate chips represent the artifacts. An archaeological site is a place in which evidence of past activity is preserved, in which has been or may be investigated by archaeologists. An artifact is an object made by a human being, typically an item of cultural or historical interest. So on our paper, this is grid A. We're going to map out our cookie on grid A here. And then grid B, that's where we're gonna excavate. Now, when we have our dirt pile over here, we're gonna put our artifacts on this square here. So let's get started. Grab your pencil, do a little trace. Now that we have it mapped out, we're gonna place it in grid B and start our excavation. Now, archaeologists, they take their time and they are very gentle so they don't break any of their artifacts. So make sure you guys take your time to get your artifacts. All right, so I'm done excavating my cookie. Now I'm gonna count my artifacts. There we go. All right, guys, hope you had so much fun in our cookie excavation. And make sure you guys send in your projects to map@cityofmontclair.org because we wanna see your outcome, okay? Can you beat my 21? Can you? Can you? See you guys at the discussion. Bye. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed these projects that we did today about archaeologists and artifacts, fossils,
Excavation.
and archaeology, right? So we have a few questions to ask you guys just to see if you guys were paying attention or you guys remember, right? So, do you guys remember what an archaeologist is? An archaeologist is a scientist who studies artifacts. They are both scientists and detectives. Do you guys know what
Artifacts are?
artifacts are? Objects that archaeologists find. They help archaeologists learn more about our history and different cultures. How about fossils? Fossils are remains of prehistoric organisms preserved in a mold or cast in rock. And one last one, do you remember what type of degree you have to get if you want to study archaeology? To be an archaeologist, you need a bachelor's degree or a bachelor's of science degree. They usually major in anthropology or archaeology. Would you want to be an archaeologist? Why or why not? All right, guys. Thanks for joining us, and make sure you send in those projects to map@cityofmontclair.org.
She said map@cityofmontclair.org.
Bye.